Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick tool haul for you guys about the Dewalt 12v Xtream hammer drill. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today this is just going to be a quick video. We're just going to be talking about this real quick. We'll do an unboxing in a separate video. I just wanted to get this as an introduction to the channel out to you guys before I do the unboxings and everything like that. That way you guys will get to see this first and you guys can choose which videos you want to keep an eye out for. This is the 3/8 10mm hammer drill driver kit. This is 150 bucks. Comes with two 2Ah batteries, charger, and a small little bag, and the tool. This kit is Dog Charlie Dog 706 Frank 2, or Delta Charlie Delta 706 Frank 2. It's a nice little kit. I ended up picking up a crap ton of Xtream tools. I ended up getting a bunch of kits that I got free 5Ah batteries. This one kit does not qualify for the free 5Ah battery, and that deal at Lowe's is going to be ending on the 28th. Today is April 21st. I got these kits in the last 2 days, so I got this was actually grabbed yesterday. So I grabbed a couple kits on the 19th and a couple kits on the 20th. Just doing the videos now. This is just a introduction to the channel. You know, I have the impact wrench, I have the recip, the impact driver, the regular drill, and the hammer drill is the one I wanted to grab. The impact driver and the recip, and I wanted the impact wrench. And the regular drill, probably gonna let my wife use those because I picked these up so I can give them a try, but I also grabbed them because they fit my wife's hands a lot better than my Milwaukee M12, so I figured I'd pick these up and she can use them for her gardening and stuff like that. This is just an introduction video. There's not gonna be any, you know, unboxings or anything like that. I will give the specifications and all that stuff on the unboxing videos, and when we take a closer look at them. I also got a couple chargers for you guys that I want to do a charger comparison. Let me know if you guys wanted me to do a charger comparison between all the different Dewalt chargers. I think I don't have one or two of the Dewalt chargers, but I have most of them. But and give you guys information on that. You know, if you guys want to see it, just let me know in the comments below if it'd be interesting to you guys. That way, if you guys are looking for Dewalt chargers, you know which ones do what. Just a quick video. We will take a closer look at this a little later. So ended up getting 2, 4, 6, 8 2Ah batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4 chargers, 4 bags, 1 bare tool, and 4 5Ah for free. And the recip is the bare tool. You get the 5Ah for free, but it doesn't come in a kit. So it's not too bad for the price. You know, $99 a kit, except for this one. This is $150. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, $5.50, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools. 8 2Ah batteries, 4 chargers, 4 bags, and 4 free 5Ah batteries. It's not bad for 550 bucks. Figured I'd share that with you guys. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video real quick. Again, this is just an introduction video. You guys will see this video before you see the tools being unboxed and everything else. Do appreciate you guys hanging out and checking out the video today. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates if you want to see more on these tools. Go Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do have a link at the top of the description for Ulsa Tools that will get you 10% off at your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it will give me 10% off my next order. So when you use it, it does save me a little money, and I do appreciate it. All affiliate links I do get commission for. Doesn't cost you anything extra if you use the link. It's just the company gives me a little commission for sending you guys over to whatever link you chose. And you know, if you bought something, it is very much appreciated. It does help me bring tools to the channel. It helps me save money on bringing these items to the channel for you guys. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!